Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a little bit very different issue which does not arises in every case, or it is not a common issue. The matter before the Hyderabad ITAT A bench in the present case was that if some deduction is to be allowed to an assessee, as in the present case section 32 AD, which talks about of deduction in case of investment in new plant and machinery in notified backward area in certain cases, and if that section gives some date that this deduction will be applicable to the assessee from previous year 15-16, but in the section itself it is mentioned that some notification will be brought by the legislature, and that notification will tell about the notified area for which this deduction will be allowable. And if that notification is issued after the financial year, that is in the present case that was 20th July 2016, so whether the issue of notification can extend the applicability of deduction of section 32 AD. This issue has been taken up by Hyderabad ITAT A bench in the case of Maheshwari Mining and Energy Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. This case is reported in 116 ITR Tribunal at page number 75, and the date of the judgment is 1st April 2024. In the present case, the assessee has claimed the deduction under section 32 AD, which is for the investment in new plant and machinery in notified backward areas in certain states. There was no dispute about the fact that the assessee has started manufacturing the specified article after 1st April 2015 and has invested in the plant and machinery after 1st April 2015. The notification was brought on 20th July 2016, and that notification included the area in which the assessee was working as notified backward area. So the assessee was eligible for the deduction as per the section also and as per the notification also. But when the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessing officer created a dispute that the deduction will be allowed only from the date of notification, and since the notification has been issued on 20th July 2016, so the assessee cannot claim the deduction for the previous year 2015-16. So he accordingly denied the deduction under section 32 AD for the financial year 2015-16. The assessee went to the CIT appeal. CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer for the denial of the deduction under section 32 AD for the previous year 15-16. So the assessee moved to the tribunal. When this matter was heard by the tribunal said that in the present case, the purpose of bringing the notification was only to mention that the particular area is a notified backward area or not. The purpose of the notification was not to extend the period of applicability of the deduction as in the case of the assessee. The tribunal said that when the notification has mentioned the backward area which was issued on 20th July 2016, then it should relate to the date which was mentioned in the section, that is section 32 AD, and that is 1st April 2015. The tribunal said that the notification did not keep in abeyance the applicability of section 32 AD to 20th July 2016, that is the date of the notification. Apart from that, the Central Board of Direct Taxes have already issued the circular, and which was very clear that the deduction under section 32 AD is applicable from the previous year 15-16. So as per the view of the tribunal in the present case, there was no controversy about the applicability of deduction under section 32 AD subsection 1 from the previous year 15-16, and the purpose of the notification was to just mention that the area comes under the notified area or not. So the notification does not extend the period from where the assessee can claim the deduction. So the tribunal allowed the appeal of the assessee. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Maheshwari Mining and Energy Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 116 ITR Tribunal at page number 75, and the date of the judgment is 1st April 2024. Thank you, friends.